Hello, dear friends. Today, I will teach you the word love with easy sentences and interesting stories at A1 level. At the end of the video, there will be some questions for you. Short stories. The Princess and the Brave Farmer. Princess Elena lived in a big castle. She was kind and beautiful, but she was lonely. One day, a dragon came to her kingdom and scared everyone. The king said, "Whoever defeats the dragon will marry my daughter." Many knights tried, but they all failed. Then a young farmer named Leo said, "I will fight the dragon." Everyone laughed, but Leo was brave. He took a small sword and went to the dragon's cave. The dragon roared, but Leo did not run away. He saw that the dragon had a thorn in its foot. Leo said, "You are in pain. Let me help you." The dragon stopped roaring. Leo pulled out the thorn, and the dragon became calm. It flew away, never returning. The king said, "You have a kind heart. You saved the kingdom with love, not war." Princess Elena and Leo fell in love and lived happily ever after. The Cursed Prince and the Girl with a Golden Heart. Once a prince was cursed by an evil witch. He turned into a wolf at night. "Only true love can break the curse," the witch said. One day, a poor girl named Mia found the wolf in the forest. She did not know it was a prince. She took care of the wolf, gave him food, and talked to him every day. The wolf felt warm and happy. One night, the prince turned back into a human. He looked at Mia and said, "Your love saved me." Mia was shocked but happy. The curse was broken, and they lived together with love forever. The Lonely Ghost and the Kind Boy. In an old house, a lonely ghost named Oliver lived. Everyone was afraid of the house, but one day, a boy named Max went inside. "Who are you?" Max asked. "I am Oliver. I am alone." "Everyone runs away from me," the ghost said. Max smiled. "I will not run away. Do you want to be friends?" Oliver was happy for the first time in many years. Max visited him every day. The ghost was no longer lonely, and soon he disappeared with a happy heart. Love and friendship made the ghost free. Max never forgot his special friend. The Brave Girl and the Fire Dragon. Lena lived in a small village. One night, a big fire dragon came and burned the fields. Everyone was scared, but Lena said, "I will stop the dragon." She went to the dragon's cave and saw that the dragon was crying. "Why are you crying?" she asked. "My egg is lost." "I need my baby," the dragon said. Lena searched everywhere and finally found a big golden egg in the forest. She gave it to the dragon. The dragon smiled and said, "Thank you for your kindness." It flew away, never hurting the village again. Lena became a hero, and the village learned that love is stronger than fear. The Boy Who Loved the Stars. Leo loved looking at the stars. He dreamed of touching them. One night, a shooting star fell into his garden. It was a little star with a broken light. Leo took the star in his hands and said, "Don't worry. I will help you." He covered it with a warm blanket and told it beautiful stories. Slowly, the star's light came back. One night, it said, "Thank you, Leo. Your love made me strong again." The star flew back into the sky, shining brighter than ever. From that day, Leo always looked at the stars and smiled, knowing that love can heal anything. Love and friendship. Hi, David. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I am good. And you?
I am happy. My parents gave me a little puppy. I love it so much.
Wow, that is great. What is the puppy's name?
His name is Max. He's small and brown. He loves to play with me.
That sounds fun. Do you take care of Max?
Yes, I give him food, water, and love. He sleeps in my room.
That is nice. Pets need love, just like people.
Yes, love is very important. My family loves me, and I love them.
I love my family too, and I love my best friend.
Haha, who is your best friend?
You, of course.
That is so sweet. I love my best friend too.
Friends and family make life beautiful.
Yes, love makes everything better. Phrases at A1 level. Love is a language everyone understands. Love makes everything beautiful. Love is the key to happiness. Love and kindness go together. True love never fades. Love is in the little things. Love brings people closer. Without love, life is empty. Love can heal a broken heart. Love is the most powerful magic. Simple sentences. I love my family because they always make me happy. She loves her little cat because it is very cute and playful. They love to play football in the park every Sunday afternoon. He loves his new bike and he rides it to school every day. We love chocolate, especially when it is sweet and creamy. The baby loves to smile when his mother sings a song. I love my best friend because she is always kind and helpful. She loves to read books before going to bed every night. He loves to listen to music while walking in the park. We love sunny days because we can go to the beach and swim. Question, answer. Where does Princess Elena live? What comes to the kingdom and scares people? Who tries to fight the dragon? How does Leo help the dragon? What does the king say about love? What happens to the prince at night? Who finds the wolf in the forest? What does Mia give to the wolf? When does the prince turn back into a human? How is the curse broken? Where does Oliver, the ghost, live? Why is Oliver lonely? Who comes into the old house? What does Max say to Oliver? What happens to Oliver at the end? What does the fire dragon do to the village? Who decides to stop the dragon? Why is the dragon crying? What does Lena find in the forest? How does Lena save the village? What does Leo love to do at night? What falls into his garden? What is wrong with the little star? How does Leo help the star? Where does the star go at the end? Thank you, friends. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos. See you in the next one.